Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. It is me, Nathanie, and I'm back at again with another video. On today's video, I will be using some old products that I haven't used in a while, some techniques that I haven't used in a while, and I really enjoyed doing this video. Also, I am covered in powder currently, but it is what it is. You'll find out in the video. And also, I have braids, and if you have made it this far, you might as well just subscribe to my channel, and it is down below, and the subscribe button. Please don't forget to click the bell button so you can be notified every time I do upload, which is ever so often. Currently I'm out of my schedule, so when I upload you will be notified if you do click the button. And to my returning subscribers, hey my beautiful people, hope you are doing well, and without further ado, let's just get into this video. Okay, so I thought that I could try redo like a technique that I used not so long ago, which is where you cleanse your face and then you put on moisturizer, then powder, then you put on your primer, like that thing. Okay, so anyways, I'm not in the mood to like wash my face, but a cleansing water is fine. So I'm going to be using the simple Micellar cleansing water. I am going to be moisturizing my face with the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Gel Cream. Going straight in with my translucent powder. I'm going to be using a primer that I've used multiple times, which is the Scarlet Heal Primer from Mr. Price. I wish what kind of colored person doesn't have like baby hairs? Me. But yeah, welcome to this colored person's life. Anyways, I have like powder everywhere. Like, Nathanie, you are just like the messiest girl I know, like the messiest. Okay, so let's get started. I used to use this for my brows. This is the Essence Long Lasting, I think it's eye pencil, long lasting eye pencil in hot chocolate. I would fill in my brows with this pencil. Sometimes my brows were very harsh, but I've learned my lesson, and I'm gonna try do that but make them a bit lighter, and I'll also fill them in as well. So go underneath. And then when I get to the middle, to the front, I would do like lighter strokes. No filter foundation, I mean concealer. I'll be using my Nars foundation. This is the All Day Luminous Weightless foundation in the shade Macao. Oh, my skin. Oh, hang on. I need to spritz my face because my face feels too... Oh, I completely fucked up. So you guys are really gonna just let me do this thing? Wow, you guys are like so trifling. Because I remember that you have to spritz. What a fail, gal. What a fail. Anyways, moving on swiftly. That's what I was supposed to do. I completely forgot to spray. That's why my face was feeling so otherwise, was because I was actually supposed to put on my moisturizer, then put powder on, then spray my face, and then put on primer. Congratulations, Nathanie, you played yourself. I'm going to be mixing the Colourpop No Filter and the Wet and Wild. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to douse my beauty sponge in some, because I know this concealer, the Colourpop, does not move, so you need to move quickly. I'm going to be going in with the Colourpop No Filter setting powder in Banana. I'm just going to bake until I am done with my eyeshadow, and then we can carry on from there. Also, I used to bake like a lot, like to the point where my under eyes was so dry, but you know, we move. So I don't know what eye look I'm going to be doing today, but I know I'm going to be staying at these warmths. As you can see, these ones are really loved, so maybe I'll go in with those three. Seems like me anyways, not to break out of my shell or anything. Okay, so I'm going to be using this shade as a transition shade right here. Okay, and then now I'm gonna go in with this shade right here, that one, which I hit pan on like long ago, but it's still such a beautiful shade, and that's gonna go on my crease. And then I'm gonna go in with a darker shade, which is this shade right here. This shade right here. I also want to just like put some lightness on my lids, so that's what I'm going to be doing right now. I am going to be using, I want like a mauve shade, I want like a white shade. Maybe let's use this shade. I'm going to be using this shade right here just to put on my lids, just to lighten the lids a bit. I'm going to use my mascara, which is this Revlon. Makeup Revolution Iconic Light and Contour Pro palette. And I'm going to be using this shade right here. As you can see, it's already been loved. It is truly loved. Okay. The next thing that I want to use again is the blush palette from Beauty Hyper. And I'm going to be, this is the Pro Blush palette from Beauty Hyper. And I'm going to be using this shade right here. My OG Anastasia Beverly Hills Pro Highlight Glow Kit, Glow Kit. And I'm going to be using this shade, and this shade. I like, no, not this. This is not the brush. That is not the brush. I like to mix those 3 shades. Another thing I would do is I would use this Essence Color Boost in the shade Mad Matters. Oh, I wore this so many times, but it's such a beautiful color. I would go in with a lip liner, and then I would just line the lips, and then I'm quickly going to go off camera and put on my lashes, and I'll be right back. Okay, and then most of the time when I want to make it look a little cuter, I would add a gloss. This is the Essence Gloss Shine 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 lip gloss in the shade Behind the Scenes, and I'll just add it because sometimes this lip can be very drying, so then I just add it. Okay, so I had to change that lip. I could not do that anymore. It just didn't feel like me, and no. So this is a more me kind of color. So this is the finished look. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please don't forget to subscribe down below, and I will see you next time.